Okay, so quickly set up your notebooks. And once you are ready to start, just give me a thumbs up or a smile, anything would work. And then we will proceed. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs ups. Those whose videos are on, thank you. Those whose videos are off, please switch on your videos, everybody. If you have network issues and for any
Didi,
reason you are not able to do that, do let me know.
Didi,
We will not unmute yourselves and speak until we raise our hands and I allow you to speak, okay? Ashwini, I can see you are not at your home. That's okay. Okay. Great. So we will quickly start with our class and may I please invite Vinayak to take over and help us with the meditation. For him to do it properly, you switch on your videos. Okay?
okay.
All of us will be muted. Vinayak will be muted. Vinayak, I can hear
Everyone,
my voice. I think there is some
yes,
issue.
Didi, I am hearing your voice.
Okay. So you can take over. We'll be doing this without music. Okay. Great.
Okay, Didi.
Okay.
Everyone sit straight, then close your eyes, then breathe in, hold, breathe out. We will, uh, like revise what we studied till now or till yesterday, like about spring tide and neap tide. We will revise them all. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. We will now revise these things. Now, if you have revised it all, then we will breathe in for 2 minutes. We will do this breathe and in exhale for 2 minutes. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. 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 Breathe in, hold. We will exhale from our mouth. Okay? Breathe out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Now rub your palm.
Thank you so much, Vinayak. I hope you all feel grounded and here in the class, focusing back here in the class. Thank you so much. It was beautiful, Vinayak. Moving forward, what do we have next? What do we have next? What do we have next? Who will tell me? Yes, okay, I can see Krishna's hand raised. Yes, Krishna.
News.
Yes, so we'll be having the news for the day.
I have news.
Okay, I know you have news, Krishna, but you did it yesterday, so I'll give chance to
No,
someone else today.
I don't did.
You did.
Oh, sorry. I did. I forget.
Okay, it's okay. Anybody else who has news for the day? Krishna did it yesterday, so I would want anybody else to share the news. Please do raise your hand. Yes, Mohammed. What news do we have?
News is on 4 दीदी 4 तारीख से ना स्कूल चालू हो रही.
Okay, so Mohammed says that there is a news that from 4th of
In
October,
village,
yeah, yes. From 4th of October, the schools are going to start in Maharashtra, is the news. In village, the schools will start from 5th standard, and in urban areas, it would start from standard 8, is the news that we have. But nothing is confirmed yes as yet for our school, right? So we will wait for orders. We will wait for Principal Ma'am to say about it. But thank you so much, Mohammed, for sharing this. How many of us are happy with the news? Okay, schools open ho sakte hain? Give me a thumbs up or any reaction if you're like happy with the news that schools might open soon. Okay, great. I see so many reactions. Okay, 10, 12, 13, 14, 17, 19. Okay, great. Okay, is there anybody in this class? We'll all stop giving the reactions now. Is there anybody in the class who is like, oh shit, school ke open ho rahe hain? Please do raise your hand if you have any such emotion going through KR schools. Why are the schools opening? Anybody? Okay, yes, Harshad.
why the school will opening?
Why? Because ऐसे online बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही है. And schools में you'll be able to meet your friends. It would be good. I'd be able to check your notebooks daily and see कौन homework कर रहा है, कौन पढ़ाई कर रहा है. It's good. It would be interesting. You'd be able to play, meet friends, and do stuff together. That is good. But it's okay if you feel otherwise. You know, इतना time हो गया है online classes को कि you know we might feel reluctant, and it's okay if you feel that way. I also feel like oh, कभी कभी I feel कि online it's good, but then school आएंगे तो ज़्यादा better होगा, right? Yes, I'm sure most of us want to meet our friends. So we'll all thank Mohammed for sharing this beautiful news with us. We will be moving forward and we'll be doing a quick small activity. And let me ask Ankita to quickly read what's written on the screen. Ankita.
Look at yourself and sorry, in the chat box, look at yourself and smile. Hold on to that smile and now draw yourself.
Okay, so I'll stop sharing my screen. Thank you, Ankita, for reading this for us. We'll do one small gratitude activity. Please switch on your videos so that you know you all can also see your faces. So you won't have to go to a mirror. If for any reasons, if you're not able to switch on your video, go in front of a mirror. Um, or if you have another device near you, you can switch on the selfie camera and look at yourself. Okay, अपनी खूबसूरत चेहरों को देखो. Right, all of us have such beautiful faces, right? It's okay if you have network issues. Praragni, go in front of a mirror. Okay, so if you don't want to see it on the camera here, go in front of a mirror, look at your beautiful faces. Okay, such beautiful eyes we all have. Be cognizant of the fact that you have got these two eyes, and with these eyes you can actually see. There are people who who cannot see you through their eyes. Okay, there are people who do not have an eye. Okay, there are people who have eyes but cannot see. Some people have specs. Without specs they cannot see, but we have our eyes and we can see properly through them. We have two ears and we can perfectly nicely hear two voices, to sound, to music. We have a beautiful mouth. We can speak, we can listen, we can smell using our nose. So there are so many things that we have, and we at times forget to be grateful about them. So we'll take 30 seconds to just look at our beautiful faces and smile. Okay, the best smile that you have, all of us, all of you, the best smile that you can give to anybody, ekdam dil se. Okay, being feeling grateful about what we have and then smiling. Okay, and अपने आप को देखो, अच्छे से देखो, because then you'll have to draw this face of yours. So just look at yourself very properly, the happy face, the beautiful face that you all have. And once you are like confident कि हाँ मुझे अपना चेहरा पता है, then take a pen, pencil, colors, whatever you want, and draw your face. Okay, it could be any way that you want to draw. You don't have to be a perfect artist to draw eyes and all. I know that Krishna has just learned to make beautiful sketches of eyes. Okay, but then itna hum deep mein nahi jayenge. We will quickly draw our face in the paper and click a photo of it and share on the champions group. We'll take 2 minutes to do this. Okay, So your time starts now. Can one of you quickly repeat what we are going to do? Any one of you? Prachi, what are we going to do?
Didi, we are going to do now. We have to see our face nicely, and we have to draw our face.
And smiling face. Okay, all of us will be
Yes.
smiling, being thankful to for the beautiful eyes, nose, ears, and the mouth that we have, and then we'll draw. Okay, how much time do we have, Prachi?
We have to see only face. We have only 2 minutes.
Right, we have only 2 minutes. Quickly draw and then share on the champions group. Okay, yes, only the face. Once you are done sharing on the group, type a done here on the chat box or give me some reaction. Okay. Okay, I can see Harshad. He did draw himself smiling. Nice, nice one, Harshad. Okay, Krishna is like the artistic one. So एकदम beautifully, he has drawn his face. Great, thank you, Sakshi. Others can also give any reaction. I'll see all of your photos. Okay, I'll see all what you have sent on the group after the class. Okay. Shruti is like erase कर करके सुंदर सुंदर बना रही है. That's good, Shruti. Okay. Sadhna, you done? Okay, great. I'm waiting for others to do. We have 1 more minute to complete this activity. रोहन खुद को देख रहा है अच्छे से पहले. फिर then he's drawing. Okay, my eyes look like this, and then he's drawing. Okay, great. Kedar, Aryan, are we doing the activity? Give me some reaction if we are doing it. Zoya, Mahin, you're late in joining the class, but then let me tell you, we are drawing our smiling faces and sharing on the champions group. So quickly do this. Okay, Faizan, this is not you. This is how you look, is it? Yeah?
No, Didi, I have made it yesterday.
Okay, they're very beautiful, very nice. What is this character known as, Faizan? This is?
Pikachu.
Pikachu. Okay. Ha, Myra has started watching Pikachu ekdam recently. That is why I feel like I have seen this face. Okay, very beautiful drawing, Faizan. Okay, quickly start sharing on the group and start coming back here. As I told you, it doesn't have to be very artistic, okay? Any face with you smiling would work. Yes, Mohammed?
Hello, Didi.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Did you see my drawing?
Yeah, I'll see all of your drawings after the class. Once you're done with it, please give me some reaction here. Come back to the screens. We'll have to start with the class. Thank you so much for sharing and participating. I just want you all to be very grateful for everything that you have in your lives. Okay. So quickly start coming back and give me reactions. I can see beautiful drawings of Zoya. Yes, Neerab, that would work. Okay, great. Good to see you all coming back. Shall we start? Shall we proceed further? Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you, Manjushri. I'll share my screen again. So here are the C's with which I want you all to be operating in today's class. We are studying geography. There is such new topics that we are studying. So be very curious, ask questions, show some courage. Don't hesitate in answering. Be creative in your imagination, in your thinking. And of course, take notes, participate, collaborate. This is your space. Quickly on the chat box, type which C do you want to prioritize and work in today's class and why? Okay, quickly. Okay, that's okay, Neerab, no problem. Quickly share which C do you want to prioritize in today's class and why? And I'll take one response off mute. Thank you, Rohan, for starting us off. Okay, thank you, Ayan, Hana, Satpreet, Sakshi. A lot of you want to be creative. Manjushri, okay, Saragni, Dhanshri. What about others? Waiting for others. Thank you, Krishna. Okay, Prachi. Great. Can I ask Shruti, which C do you want to operate and why? Okay, you are muted, beta.
Didi, Didi,
Bolo.
I want to operate creative
You want to operate with creativity. That's very good. And why? Why you want to be creative?
because I like to draw all creative things.
Okay, so Shruti wants to be creative in today's class. She wants to make or draw images and do things differently. That's very good. Thank you, Shruti, and thank you everyone, Ankita, Manjushri, and others who are sharing on the chat box. If you haven't typed yet, please do put in the C you want to operate with and why in the chat box. We will quickly move further. And here is our ownership tracker. If you have completed the pre-work, if you have done the wave activity at home, also completed your classwork and homework, then put a small dot in front of your name. Only a small dot, not big lines or something like that. Okay, small dots as we do always. Okay, thank you, Manjushri, Sakshi. Okay, Vinayak. I said small dots, बच्चे. Don't draw lines, such big lines. फिर दूसरे बच्चों का दिखता नहीं है, right? Thank you, Saragni, Manjushri, Faizan, Rohan, Zoya. All those who are not annotating on the screen, please do be cognizant of the fact that other students have done their classwork, their homework. They would be able to understand things better. And you guys would be, since you couldn't find time to complete classwork and pre-work, you might be a bit confused, okay? So please do ensure that you complete your work before coming to the class, okay? Like others can find time to do it, you should also work towards getting it. Sadhna, I told you only dots and not lines. Okay. Sadhna, stop doing that. I can see that you are doing it. Okay, great. Thank you so much. I know who hasn't done it and I know who has. So if you were not able to do it because of certain reasons, please do complete it now. Okay? Now we stop annotating. Everybody stop. Great. Moving further to where we are studying chapter number 3, geography, tides. Okay, we have already completed what are tides, why do tides occur, what are the effects of tides, and what are the different types of tides that we have already covered. Today we are going to study in particular about waves. Okay, nothing to guess here. We all have done activities, so we know that we are studying about waves. So what in waves we'll be covering? We will be understanding that waves hoti kya hai, what are waves, what are different types of waves, how are these waves formed, okay, and then what is the structure of a wave, and finally we'll be ending our class with understanding what are destructive waves. Okay, this may seem a lot, but this is a very simple topic, बहुत ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. So I'm sure you'll be enjoying studying this because we'll be doing a lot of activity based, observation based learning here as well. ठीक है? Okay, so here is how we start. As I told you, please bring your ocean wave in the bottle activity wala bottle with you. If you have got the bottles with you, please do keep them ready, right? All of us, those who haven't done this, what we'll be doing is हम सिर्फ एक कोई friend we'll see who is not who has done the activity. We'll pin their videos and look at their videos while they do what I ask them to. Okay? While they follow instructions. Okay? Only those students who have the bottles will switch on their videos. Rest of us will switch off the videos if we don't have it. Okay? Great, Rohan. No problem with that. Okay? Great. All of us who do not have the bottles will switch off our videos. Only those who have the bottles will switch it on. Okay? Great. Okay, we will start with our observation activity. I'll be telling you certain guiding questions. Observe when I ask you to observe, and then whatever I ask you to do it and make an observation. Okay, we will share our observations once we are done with the activity. Okay, great. Now what we have to do is, the first step, we will hold our bottle still. एकदम still we will hold, we will not move the bottle. ठीक है? If we have been shaking it, it's okay, we will give time to settle it down and we will not move or shake our bottles. ठीक है? जैसा है एकदम still we will hold them. Okay? Like how Rohan is doing, like how Krishna has kept. Krishna, please hold it in your hands. Yeah? Shruti, hand may hold it in your hand. Hold the bottle in your hand. Ekdam still. Don't move it. Zoya, Maheen, hold it in your hand. Essay. Like how Rohan is doing, Manjushri, Shruti. Everybody else, please watch them doing it. ठीक है. Now, when you hold the bottle still and you are not moving the bottle, कोई और force नहीं है, nothing is happening, the bottle is still. Look at the water in the bottle. When you are not moving it, let it become still. Look at the water in the bottle. ठीक है? Okay. Perfectly like Rohan is doing. Now what we will do is we will tilt the bottle. सिर्फ एक direction में bottle को tilt करेंगे. We will not shake it, only tilt. रोहन किसी भी एक डायरेक्शन में बॉटल को टिल्ट करो. Tilt it. Okay. Like how Maheen is doing, like Krishna is doing, right? Okay. Like Satpreet, Ayan. Tilt the bottle and see where the water is going. See where the water is going when you tilt it. Now tilt it on the other side. अब दूसरे side tilt करो and look where the water is going. ठीक है? Make an observation of where the water is going when you are tilting the bottle. Now you tilt it both ways. दोनों तरफ से ऐसे shake करो bottle को. दोनों तरफ से. ठीक है? And look at the water carefully. When you are doing this, when you are moving the bottles from both the side, look at the water very carefully. Speed बढ़ा के देखो water को, फिर speed को slow करो. Then slow down your speed and look at the water. Don't shake it, only move it. दोनों डायरेक्शन से. एंड लुक एट द वाटर. जब एकदम तेज तेज मूव कर रहे हो और फिर एकदम धीरे धीरे मूव कर रहे हो, दोनों वेज में देखो. नाउ डू इट एकदम स्लोली, धीरे धीरे करो. ओके, ठीक है. Once you are done with your observations here of the water, just keep the water still. ठीक है? Okay. Done with the observations? Great. Now wait. छोड़ दो bottles को. Okay. Now if you can open the cap of the bottle, tilt it a bit and ensure कि पानी बाहर नहीं गिराना है. ठीक है? ढक्कन ओपन करना है, पानी बाहर नहीं गिराना, थोड़ा सा टिल्ट करना है. एंड यू हैव टू ब्लो. बहुत तेज हवा मुंह से फेंकनी है पानी की तरफ. लेट द बॉटल बी अ बिट टिल्टेड एंड ब्लो द वाटर. बहुत तेज हवा, जितनी तेज फूंक सकते हो. ठीक है? फूको. श्रुति, पिक अप द बॉटल, टिल्ट इट अ बिट. थोड़ा सा टिल्ट करो बॉटल को, थोड़ा सा टिल्ट करो एंड देन ब्लो एयर. फूको अंदर, अंदर हर्षद, अंदर बॉटल के अंदर हवा डालनी है. एंड लुक एट द वाटर व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट. माहीन, थोड़ा सा बॉटल उठाओ, हैंड में उठाओ और उसको टिल्ट करो और फिर फूको. राइट? लाइक हाउ आयान इज डूइंग. आयान थोड़ा क्लोजर, थोड़ा पास में आओ बॉटल के. या नाउ लुक एट द वाटर व्हेन यू आर ब्लोइंग इट. बहुत तेज फूकने की कोशिश करो. या ओके, डोंट ड्रिंक इट. ओके, ग्रेट. एंड मेक ऑब्जर्वेशंस. ओके, व्हाइल वी आर डूइंग ऑल ऑफ इट, हमें सिर्फ पानी को देखना है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू द वाटर. ठीक है? ग्रेट. Once you are done and once others who were observing are done, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to make other observations, I give you time. Whatever I have said, I'll give you 1 more minute. Try doing everything that I said and make your observations. Once it is done, then we will start with our discussion. Okay? Give me a thumbs up once you are ready. Thank you, Ayan, Krishna, Harshad. We'll wait for others. Okay. So now it's time that we share what we observe. ठीक है? हमने बहुत सारी चीजें करी उस बॉटल में पानी के साथ. Now we will share our observations there. ठीक है? When the bottle was still, जब हमने बॉटल को बिल्कुल मूव नहीं किया, the first scenario, when the bottle was still, और कुछ नहीं हो रहा था, was the water moving by itself? क्या पानी खुद से मूव कर रहा था जब हमने बॉटल को स्टिल रखा? Yes, Harshada.
No, Didi, it was not moving.
Right. When the bottle was still, when there was no tilting that we did, तो पानी एकदम still था. When did the water start moving? When did the water start?
Uh, Didi, when we do in in uh, in this position, then the water start moving.
Right. When we tilted the bottle, तो water start move करना start किया था. जिस direction में हम tilt कर रहे थे, उसके opposite direction में water जा रहा था. Right? ऐसे ही हो रहा था. Right? Yes or no? Now, this movement of water, when there is any force applied, okay, when there is any movement or there is any force applied, there is a movement in water. Now, this movement of water from its still position is actually a wave that is coming in the water. ठीक है. तो when we talk about waves in an ocean, ocean is a very enormous water body. बहुत ज़्यादा पानी होता है ocean में और बहुत बड़ा होता है, right? Now tell me, we all know that there are waves in the ocean. Now हमने तो यहाँ पे फोर्स लगाया था, वी मूव द बॉटल, इसलिए वेव बना. हाउ डू यू थिंक अ वेव ऑकर इन द ओशन? वहां पे कौन सा फोर्स लगता है, या फिर वहां पे कैसे कोई मूवमेंट होता है कि पानी ओशन में मूव करने लगता है? एनी गेसेस आउट हियर? एनीबॉडी ऑफ यू? यस धनुश्री.
Didi, I have guessed that when the wind comes so fast and water comes only with वो अचानक से आता है ना पानी, तो वो हाई टाइड होके आगे बढ़ता है.
Okay,
Move होता
right.
है.
Okay, she's making a relationship with the high tide that we studied, but she says that wind जब चलती है, जब हवा चलती है, तो पानी उसके साथ आता है और एक लहर बनती है. Quite true. जब हमने पानी को in the bottle, when we blew the water using our the from our mouth, तब भी हमने देखा होगा कि water में एक movement हुआ होगा, right? तो जब भी wind चलती है या हवा चलती है, then there is a movement in water. What can be other reasons by which the water in the ocean moves except wind? Wind के अलावा और क्या reasons हो सकते हैं? Yes, Vinayak.
Can you repeat the question? I did not hear.
Okay, my question is कि what can be other reasons by which the water move and we get waves except wind? ठीक है, wind is one major reason जैसे धनश्री ने कहा. उसके अलावा और क्या reasons हो सकते हैं?
Didi, I think that gravity pulls to the water to the forward.
So gravity किस direction में होती है gravity, Vinayak? The force of gravity is in which direction?
It is in that that inwards.
It is inwards. ठीक है, तो अगर हम gravity की बात करेंगे तो it would keep the water towards the center of the earth. It would not make it move, right? Gravity उसको hold करके रखेगा. Gravity won't make it move, right?
Yes.
What can be other reasons?
Then I think that centrifugal force.
Okay, centrifugal force pulls the water away from gravity, but जैसे हमने tides के लिए पढ़ा था. Okay,
Yes.
ठीक है. Fine, I agree with somewhat with what Vinayak has to say, that okay, there is a centrifugal force that is in play, right? I got a very beautiful response on the chat box which says that Earth's movement, right? We all know कि Earth rotate करता है, right? Earth rotates, और हम भी अर्थ के साथ रोटेट करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बस ऐसे ही हैं और अर्थ रोटेट कर रहा है. बिकॉज वी आर ऑन अर्थ वी ऑल्सो रोटेट, बट हमें अर्थ का रोटेशन पता नहीं चलता, राइट? बट क्योंकि वाटर इज अ फ्लूइड एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश्ड दिस अर्लियर कि फ्लूइड्स बहुत जल्दी मूव करते हैं, तो बिकॉज अर्थ रोटेट्स देयर इज ऑल्सो मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर दैट कैन बी विजिबल, राइट? क्योंकि वाटर बहुत जल्दी मूव करता है. So when we move, when the earth rotates, the water also have some movement. Plus when there is air or the wind that is blowing, तो wind के साथ साथ भी पानी जो है वो move करता है. So ये जो particular movement होता है water का, because of wind, because of the rotation of the earth and other factors, this generate waves in water. Waves. Waves को हम हिंदी में और क्या कहते हैं? लहर, right? This is also known as लहरें, जो हम generally बोलते हैं समुद्र में होती हैं. These are waves. Now, if I ask you to define wave, if I ask you to tell me, okay, how will you define wave? Yeah, what is a wave? Then can any one of you take a wild guess in defining the wave? How can you define what is a wave? Yes, Krishna.
Wave is the water movement that goes, means that it come in a large wave. It come up and then go to the beach side or anywhere, and then it slowly come down and then it dissolve in the water.
Okay, great. So movement of water somewhere, if I'm not wrong, is what Krishna has to say. A wave is basically movement of water upwards and downwards. Okay. Yes, Rohan.
Brother waves come because that this is a street. जिधर इधर एस्ट्रोनॉट कर रहा सब पानी इस साइड आएगा ना तो
हाँ
उसको waves बोलते हैं.
हाँ वही मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, पानी के इधर या उधर मूव होने को वेव कहते हैं. ओके फाइन, ठीक है. हम सब ने अपनी बॉटल में वेव बना के देखा ना. उसको बहुत केयरफुली देखो. जब हम वेव बनाते हैं तो पानी आगे पीछे मूव होता है कि ऊपर नीचे मूव होता है. लुक एट इट केयरफुली एंड टेल मी. जब हम वेव बना रहे हैं तो पानी आगे पीछे मूव हो रहा है कि ऊपर नीचे मूव हो रहा है. वेयर इज इट मूविंग? व्हाट कैन यू से अबाउट इट? एनीबॉडी? यस माहिन.
दीदी वो ऊपर नीचे भी हो रहा है और आगे पीछे भी होता है.
Okay, so Mahin says that when you observe the wave, it generally goes up and down as well as sideways as well. Is there anybody in the class who believes otherwise? Is there anybody who believes कि नहीं एक ही direction में movement हो रहा है, या फिर कोई अलग observation है except for what Mahin has to say? Yes, Shruti.
Didi, now I do observation in here. The water was going left and right.
Okay, so Shruti believes that water was going left and right. Great. Others, please do note, you can type it on the chat box if you believe otherwise. We will study further and understand कि actually movement होता क्या है when there is a wave. But for now, let's focus back to what basically are waves. Waves are basically movement of water or the disturbance on the sea surface in the form of moving ridge or swell. Okay, so if I have to define it technically, then I can say that wave is basically a disturbance on the surface of the water in the form of a moving ridge or swell. Now, when I have to say this, what I want you all to be doing is अपना hand, all of you switch on your videos, अपना hand ऐसे रखो, take your hand like this, move it like this, ठीक है, अपनी body से थोड़ा दूर. Now do this, ऐसे करो. This is basically wave. This is basically wave that happens in the water. ठीक है, ऐसे ही लहर आती है. So remember, if I have to define a wave, it is basically a movement or a disturbance on the sea surface wherein which forms a ridge or a swell. Swell मतलब उफान होता है. So this is what a wave is. ठीक है, so remember it like this. Now you can make a note of the definitions and other things from the pre-work that I have given, or I'll share it afterwards as well. So don't worry if you were not able to note this down. But yes, of course, this is how you define a wave. Okay. Now tell me, how will be a wave related to the speed of the wind? अगर wind बहुत तेज चल रही होगी पानी के ऊपर, तो wave बड़ी होगी या छोटी होगी? ज्यादा तेज हवा चल रही है तो जो वेव बनेगी पानी में वो बहुत बड़ी बनेगी या छोटी बनेगी? यस पृथ्वेश.
दीदी बड़ी बनेगी.
राइट. व्हाई डू यू थिंक जितनी ज्यादा हवा चलेगी उतनी बड़ी वेव बनेगी? इज इट व्हाट यू वांट टू से?
यस.
ओके, राइट है ना. जितनी ज्यादा तेज हवा चलेगी उतना ज्यादा बड़ी वेव बनेगी, उतना ज्यादा बड़ा वेव आएगा पानी में. जो तो जितनी ज्यादा तेज हवा चल रही होगी उतनी ज्यादा बड़ी बड़ी लहरें आएंगी ओशन में. Okay, great. Thank you, Sakshi and others for typing on the chat box as well. Now moving further to our next topic, which we will not study much in, but yes, we will understand. There are different types of waves जो हमारे ocean में आती हैं, right? And क्योंकि बहुत सारे अलग-अलग factors involved होते हैं, इसीलिए अलग-अलग type की waves बनती हैं. So some waves would be storm waves. एकदम बहुत ज्यादा हवा चल रही है तो बहुत ज्यादा storms आ जाते हैं, या जो हम बोलते हैं ना साइक्लोन आया. So all these waves जो बहुत ज्यादा strong होती हैं, so there could be storm waves. We studied about tides, है ना, जो tides के बारे में पढ़ा. So some waves are the tidal waves. There are waves like tsunami. जो कितनी डिस्ट्रक्शन ला सकती हैं. सो देयर इज सुनामी इज ऑल्सो अ वेव. देन अगर आपने देखा होगा कि कभी भी स्ट्रीम बोट या फिर जो बोट्स होती हैं जब पानी में चल रही होती है तो पीछे भी लहरें बनती हैं पानी के. सो इट कुड बी अ वेव दैट हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ अ बोट पासिंग और अ स्ट्रीम बोट पासिंग. ठीक है, अ जेट पासिंग थ्रू वाटर. तो वेव्स अलग अलग वजहों से बनती हैं, एंड देयर कुड बी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेव्स दैट कम इन एन ओशन बॉडी. But there are three types of waves that we will focus on. First is the surface wave. The second are the tidal waves, as the tides that we studied in the last class. And then the third one's the destructive waves. Okay, so we will be covering a bit in details about what are destructive wave later in the class. For now, we will focus on surface wave. Can anyone here in the class take a guess as to what can be a surface wave? Surface wave क्या हो सकती है? I will clear your feedbacks, and now you can raise your hand and tell me and take a guess as to what can be a surface wave. Yes, Ayan?
Yes, the surface waves is like समंदर के ऊपर जो हल्की waves चलती रहती है ना, वो है surface waves.
Absolutely correct, right? So the wave that occur on the surface of the ocean will be surface wave, as the name suggests. Surface मतलब ऊपरी जो ऊपर वाला एरिया है समुद्र का, जो ऊपर वाला एरिया जो हमें दिखता है हमारी आंखों से, उस सरफेस पे जो वेव्स चल रही होती हैं, दोज आर दी सरफेस वेव्स. ठीक है, टाइडल वेव्स आर द वेव्स, जो टाइड्स होता है ना, जो टाइड्स हमने पढ़ी, दोज आर द टाइडल वेव्स. एंड फाइनली डिस्ट्रक्टिव वेव्स जो हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, now we will quickly move forward to what causes waves. Waves क्यों बनती है? We have already discussed. एक तो wind, अगर हवा चल रही होगी, the force of winds, wind actually makes us see that the water is moving, and that movement of water is basically what a wave is. So first reason would be wind. ठीक है, second reason, as we discussed, are the different forces that act on the surface, and one of the major reason is the movement of the earth or the rotation of the earth that happens. ठीक है, so these are the two major reasons. Now there is one thing that we need to understand very clearly, and we will establish this, or we will prove this when we study further in the class, and that is कि जो wave होती हैं, उन waves में energy होती है. सो वेव एक्चुअली पानी को नहीं कैरी कर रही होती है, वेव एनर्जी को कैरी कर रही होती है. ठीक है, नाउ यू विल बी वंडरिंग एज टू हाउ आई एम सेइंग दिस एंड व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस, बट वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग कि ऐसा क्यों होता है, एंड वी विल बी आल्सो ऑब्जर्विंग वन वीडियो वेयरइन वी विल अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे वेव पानी नहीं मूव करता है, वेव के साथ सिर्फ एनर्जी मूव करता है. ठीक है, सो फॉर नाउ जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट वेव एक्चुअली ब्रिंग्स एनर्जी, and the movement of the wave जो हमें दिखता है, it is actually the movement of energy and not water. ठीक है, now as I told you, the ocean is very big, है ना, बहुत बड़ा होता है. Now there is always small and large waves जो हमारे ओशन में बनती रहती हैं हमेशा ही. ठीक है, बिकॉज विंड जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं तो ब्लो कर ही रही होती है. सो स्मॉल एंड लार्ज वेव्स always are there on the surface of the ocean, and क्योंकि ओशन बहुत बड़ा है तो some waves जो हमें शोर के पास दिखती हैं वो तो हम आसानी से देख के कह देते हैं कि लहर आ रही है, बट अगर हम entirety में अंदर तक जाएंगे ओशन के सेंटर ऑफ द ओशन, if we go there, वहां पे भी वेव होंगी. सो पानी इज ऑलवेज मूविंग एंड देयर आर स्मॉल एंड लार्ज वेव्स थ्रू आउट द ओशन. Okay, are we clear with what I am saying till now? Give me some reactions if you are understanding what I am discussing. Okay, great. Thank you, guys. Okay, Harshada, Fiza, Manjushri, thank you. Minakshi, Shagufta, Sumit, Tanvi, Minoli, Shravani. Okay, great. Okay, so if we are giving a thumbs up and we are understanding what is here, I have two questions for you. Govind, can you quickly read question number 1 for us? Govind.
Yes.
Read question number 1 for us.
Do waves or only at the shores or They are all over the ocean.
Okay, thank you, Govind, for reading aloud for us. So the question is, do waves occur only at the shore or they are all over the ocean? What do you think? Type your response on the chat box. क्या waves पूरे ocean में आ रही होती हैं या फिर वो सिर्फ shores पे या फिर जो बीच होता है समुद्र का बीच as we say सिर्फ वहां पे आती हैं? Type your response on the chat box. Krishna, good question. I'll be answering this as we move forward. Thank you, Sakshi. Okay. Repeating the question again. Do waves occur only at the shore or or they are all over the ocean? Harshad, what do you think? Give me an answer to this question.
What did they?
Batao, what is the answer to the question that I'm asking?
Didi, you can tell again question.
सुना करो ना क्लास में, फोकस हियर ऑन द क्लास. इधर उधर कहाँ अटेंशन रहता है? द क्वेश्चन इज कि जो वेव्स हैं क्या वो पूरे ओशन में आ रही होती हैं कि सिर्फ शोर के पास? शोर इज द कोस्ट, राइट, जहाँ पे समुद्र का तट होता है, सिर्फ वहां आती है कि पूरे ओशन में आ रही होती है?
दीदी पूरे ओशन में, दीदी ओशन के बीच में.
हाँ, पूरे ओशन में आ रही होती है हर्षद, ऑल ओवर द ओशन, क्योंकि विंड एक्चुअली हर जगह ब्लो कर रही होती है एंड प्लस द अर्थ इज रोटेटिंग कंटिन्यूअसली, सो देयर इज ऑलवेज मूवमेंट दैट इज हैपनिंग एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पूरे ओशन में वेव्स आ रही होती है ऑल द टाइम. ठीक है, हमेशा ही चल रही होती है. हमें जब हम शोर पे होते हैं या वी आर एट द कोस्ट देन वी कैन सी बड़ी बड़ी लहरें टकराती हैं कोस्ट से, इसलिए बहुत बड़ी लहरें हमको दिखाई देती हैं, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि बाकी ओशन में नहीं आती. The waves are always there in ocean, throughout the ocean, in the full ocean. Thank you everybody for replying on the chat box as well. Shruti, Ayan, Mehak, Vinayak, Satpreet, Manjushri, Neerap, Dhanishri. Dhanishri, I hope you get the rationale behind why the shore is the waves are always on the shore, right? सिर्फ एक जगह नहीं आ रही होती है पूरे ओशन में. Thank you, Shruti. Okay, my next question, let me invite somebody who hasn't spoken yet in the class. Saleha, can you read the second question?
Yes, Didi. Are tides are and waves the same or are tides and type of wave?
Okay, thank you, Saleha, for reading the question aloud. So my question is कि are tides and waves the same or are tides a type of wave? ठीक है, क्या टाइड और वेव एक ही चीज है या फिर टाइड किसी तरीके की वेव्स है? राइट, दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन. वी हैव स्टडीड व्हाट आर टाइड्स. नाउ टेल मी, are tides and waves same or are tides a type of wave? Type your response on the chat box. Thank you, Manjushri, for starting us off. Thank you, Vinayak, Ayan, Krishna. Waiting for others to type their response as well. And I would invite Sumit if you would want to give me an answer to this question. Sumit. Sumit, are we there in the class? Karthik, can you check with Sumit? Is he there in the class? And just update me over the chat box. Thank you. Okay. Neerap, what do you say? Are tides and wave the same or are tides a type of wave?
No.
They are not same, right? So, so do you agree that a tide is a type of wave? Yes or no?
No.
दोनों का आंसर नो है.
Yes.
पूरा एक्सप्लेन करो. Give me a sentence. Tell me in a sentence. Okay, my first question. Are tides and wave the same? Yes or no?
They are not same because waves only move because of air and आगे क्या नहीं आती.
Okay, and tides because of the gravitational pull of the moon is what you want to say? Yeah? Okay, great. So yes, it is true that tides and waves are not the same. Waves are different from tides, and also that tide is a type of wave. एक तरीके का wave होता है which happens because of the gravitational pull of the moon, of the sun, and of course the rotation of the earth, जो हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. ठीक है? So basically what we need to remember here is that tides are types of wave. ठीक है? And those two are different things. Okay, great. So here comes the poll. We will, from 0 to 5, tell our understanding of whatever we have studied till now. 0, if we do not understand what is a wave, what are tides, waves, kya difference hai. To 5, and I'm very clear ki what is a tide, I'm clear what is a wave, what are different types of wave, right? Thank you for already starting sharing on the chat box. I see a lot of 4s, some 5s. Krishna is like 4.8. Good. I see a 3. Okay. Thank you. Others. Karthik. Okay. Okay. Neerap is like very. एक चीज मुझे 1 पे है, एक चीज 3 पे है. Okay. Thank you, Satpreet. Karthik, Saragni. Okay. Great. Waiting for some others to respond. Shruti, Aryan, Faizan, Meenakshi. Thank you, Govind. Okay, Govind, I don't understand this fraction at all. Thank you, Harshad. Thank you, Maheen, Zoya, Ashwini, Shruti. Okay. It's okay if you are at 3 or less than 3. That is very fine. Okay, confusion ho sakta hai because we have been studying tides and it has been a bit confusing for us, and that is okay. Okay, koi baat nahi. What we will be doing next is, after this class, we'll try to watch the video, the class recording again. Even if that doesn't work, we will I will share one video to you which will explain you what are waves, types of waves, etc. Watch that video, read from the book. ठीक है, उसके बाद नहीं समझ में आता है, then we can repeat the topic again in the class. That is not a problem. ठीक है, but for now, just ensure that you watch the class recording again. I will also share one explanation video. Watch the video, read from the book. उसके बाद नहीं समझ आता है, then you will tell me and we will repeat the topic in the class. Works? Give me a thumbs up. Those who are at a 3 and less, give me a thumbs up if this works to you. Okay. Okay, thank you, Zoya, Maheen, Saragni, Fiza, Ashwini. I wanted to hear from Karthik. Does that work for you? Karthik, Ashwini, you gave less than 3 in your understanding. Okay, great. We'll take a quick break now. We all go for a 2-minute break. There is a lot of information that we took. Once we'll go, we drink some water, move around, and then we come back after 2 minutes. Is this fine with all of us? Yeah? Okay, great. Okay, so take a break.
Okay. Oil in the sanitizer, so it not like this. See, we put water, oil, it come upside. That was not looking upside. That go anywhere.
That is a very good observation, Harshad. वाटर से पानी, वाटर एंड ऑयल डज नॉट मिक्स. ठीक है, वो एक सोल्यूशन नहीं बनता, इसीलिए ऑयल जो है वो ऊपर दिखता है, अलग दिखता है पानी से, राइट? नाउ व्हाई डज इट फ्लोट? पानी के ऊपर क्यों आता है? बिकॉज उसकी डेंसिटी का डिफरेंस होता है. ठीक है, वी विल स्टडी अबाउट दिस लेटर. बट अगर सैनिटाइजर, जैसे मैंने कहा था, सैनिटाइजर में देर आर केमिकल्स, सैनिटाइजर में देर इज ऑल्सो एल्कोहल, तो हो सकता है देर दे गेट मिक्सड, इसीलिए ऑयल अलग नहीं दिखता उसमें. बट पानी में ऑयल मिक्स नहीं होता, इसीलिए वो अलग अलग दिखता है.
Didi, can I show you sanitizer bottle?
हाँ, बिल्कुल. Great observation, Harshad. This is how you display curiosity and
Didi, see.
हाँ, बताओ. Okay, it got mixed
It's
completely. That's great, amazing. ठीक है, क्यों ऐसा हुआ? Because it might have some chemicals and of course maybe alcohol. All of these got mixed with the oil. It's okay. Now stop dancing. Fine. Okay, guys, we all come back from the break. Give me some reaction if you are back. Switch on your videos for once if you can, and show me your beautiful smiles. Yes, Satpreet, you've raised your hand.
Didi, if
Yeah.
we mix sanitizer and
Mhm.
water and oil, then
Mhm.
what will happen?
That's good. Why don't you try it? Do try it and tell to me क्या होता है. ठीक है. हर्षद did try it. हर्षद ने sanitizer में oil मिलाया था and it got mixed. ठीक है. Water में नहीं होता. Now do try mixing water, some parts of water in the sanitizer and then do it. Yes, Harshad?
दीदी मैंने ना सैनिटाइजर को जला दिया था एक बार.
Why? It has alcohol. It will burn.
दीदी मेरे पास
Very
बहुत
careful.
सैनिटाइजर है.
So what? You will waste it? ऐसा?
Yes.
No, don't do that. But yes, be very careful when you are burning these things because you can hurt yourself while doing this. Okay. Okay. Neerab, but this is very dangerous. But yes, you can try doing it. Neerab says mix water and petrol. Whenever you are trying this, it is good to make observations and do such things, but be very careful that you don't hurt yourself. Okay, great. Thank you guys for your reactions. I get that you all are back. Now we'll start again. We all observed waves, right? We all observed in the bottle, we all observed in the images that I shared. Now what we'll do is we'll annotate and show me how will you draw a wave. ठीक है, annotate करके बताओ how will you draw a wave. How can you draw a wave? And try to make it as small as you can, please. Okay. Thank you, Neerab, Krishna, Vinayak, Satpreet. Waiting for others. Aryan, Minoli, Krishna, Sleha, Manjushri, Prithvesh. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. I'll give you like 30 more seconds. Draw it as you want to. Faizan, wave बनाना है. Okay. Harshad, stop doing that. ठीक है. I got it. I got it. आप करो. I'll clear the drawings. But thank you so much for what you all have drawn on the screen. I could get a lot of you understand कि एक wave का structure कैसे होता है. ठीक है. So if I have to study about how does a wave look or what is the structure of the wave, I can say कि it is something like this. Do we all agree कि wave ऐसा कुछ structure होता है? Yes. Give me a thumbs up if we agree to this कि हाँ ऐसा कुछ structure होता होगा wave का. Okay. Rohan doesn't agree. Yes, Rohan, tell me, how do you imagine a structure of a wave to be?
दीदी इसका वेव्स का स्ट्रक्चर दूसरा होता है ना ऐसा
कैसा?
सीधे जैसा ये होता है.
Draw and tell me कैसा होता है.
There is no
Okay,
option.
sorry. I will enable annotation. Yeah. Only Rohan will draw and nobody else. Yes, Rohan, draw and tell me.
This that like this.
Maheen, Zoya, Ashwini, you don't have to draw. Rohan will only draw. Ashwini, stop.
They like this will be.
Okay. So Rohan believes कि ऐसा ऐसा आता है. ठीक है. Great. Okay, let me tell you guys कि yes, if I say technically, ideally कि नहीं wave ऐसे ही हमेशा ऐसा दिखता है तो ऐसा नहीं होता. But for the study of wave, a lot of waves look like this. ठीक है, Rohan? Even if you say कि wave ऐसी दिखती है, then you are referring to this part of the wave. ठीक है, तो तुम इस part of the wave की बात कर रहे हो कि just give me a minute, okay? Let me, yeah. So when you are saying कि wave वैसी दिखती है, so you are actually talking about this part of the wave. But yes, ideally, if we have to study the structure of the wave, then as we all did draw here as well, a wave looks something like this. ठीक है? Now, जैसे हमने देखा था कि एक sea level होता है. There is a level जब there is no movement in the water. जब मैंने कहा था कि हमारी bottle still रखी हुई है, तब हम देखेंगे तो there is a level of the water. This is a straight level. जब wave आती है पानी में, तो पानी ऊपर जाता है, फिर पानी नीचे जाता है. पानी ऊपर जाता है, पानी नीचे जाता है. So जो level of water है, या तो उससे ऊपर जाता है पानी, फिर उससे नीचे आ जाता है. तो there is a high and there is some depression. Depression में पानी का जो main level है, उससे नीचे तक जाता है वेव. तो हमेशा जब भी आप वेव को ऑब्जर्व करोगे तो एक बार वो ऊंची जाएगी and then there is some depression in the water and then it will come up. So when we study the structure of the wave, then technically if we have to understand के क्या structures हैं and we have to name these things, then we say the highest point जहाँ पे wave जाती है, this point, ठीक है, सबसे ऊंचा जो पॉइंट है जहां पे ये वेव गई, दिस इज नोन एज द क्रस्ट. व्हाट इज दिस नोन एज? क्रस्ट. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. The highest point जहां पे wave जाती है is known as the crest. All of you unmute yourself and repeat after me. Crest.
Crest. Crest.
Crest.
Crest.
Crest.
Crest. Crest. Didi crest.
Right. Crest.
Crest. Didi crest.
Cracks.
This is not crest, but yes, the highest point जहां पे wave जाती है, that is the crest of the wave.
Cracks.
फिर there is a depression. Wave नीचे आती है, normal level से नीचे there is a depression. Then this point जो नीचे जाता है is known as trough. Trough. Okay, so unmute yourself and repeat after me. What is this point known as?
Trump. Trump.
Trough.
Trump.
Edge. ठीक है. Okay, bus. ठीक है. So now when we study, we will study the structure of a wave, and I will tell you some other technical words as well that come into the picture. But for now, just know that a wave, it goes ऊपर की तरफ, it has a high point, and then there is a depression, there is a low point in the wave. ठीक है. The high point in the wave is known as the crest, C-R-E-S-T. And the low point or the depression, सबसे नीचे वाला जो point है, that is known as the trough, T-R-O-U-G-H. So these are the two words that we will study as definitions. So crest is the highest, the raised portion, and the trough is the depressed portion. ठीक है. और जैसे अभी हमने एस्टैब्लिश किया, जितनी ज्यादा तेज हवा चलेगी, जितनी ज्यादा तेज विंड ब्लो करेगी, उस डायरेक्शन में उतनी बड़ी लहर या फिर वेव आएगी. ओके. So now if I have to define the structure of the wave, and I want you all to be drawing this in your notebooks along with as I tell, and also listen very carefully. Okay, so listen to the definitions very carefully. So we know this is crest, the highest portion. This is trough, the lowest part of a wave. Okay, now this distance till the crest, or this distance from the mean sea level to the trough, ये वाला जो distance होता है, this is known as the amplitude of a wave. The vertical distance between crest and the falling trough is the amplitude of a wave. तो जब भी हम एक wave draw करेंगे, highest point से ये जो mean sea point था, इधर तक का जो vertical distance है, this is amplitude. It is not only सिर्फ crest के direction में नहीं, trough के direction में भी you can say the distance between these, the vertical distance, this one is known as the amplitude of the wave. ठीक है. Second thing, what is a wavelength? The distance, the vertical distance between two consecutive crest or two consecutive troughs. मतलब दो high points के बीच का horizontal distance. This is the length, wavelength. This is the wavelength. ठीक है. या फिर इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस. दो वेव्स अगर हम बनाएंगे तो दो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव क्रेस्ट के बीच का डिस्टेंस या दो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ट्रफ्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस इज द वेव लेंथ. ठीक है. All of you will draw this in your notebooks right now as I am telling you, and also understand it. Got it, Prachi? Draw it in your notebooks as well. I am repeating once again. What is the amplitude? If I have to define amplitude of a wave, then amplitude is the vertical distance between the crest and the consecutive trough. मतलब ये consecutive trough यहाँ से शुरू होगा, तो इनके बीच में जो vertical distance होता है maximum वाला, that is amplitude. What is a wavelength? दो crest या दो trough के बीच में जो horizontal distance है, ये, this is the wavelength or length of one wave. Okay, so these are the two definitions. Can I please request Faizan to quickly repeat what is amplitude and what is wavelength? Faizan.
Yes, Didi.
What is amplitude?
Amplitude is which line goes up and go down.
Which line goes up and down? You want to annotate?
Is up, goes up, this goes up, goes like down.
हाँ, this is one wave. ये एक वेव का स्ट्रक्चर है, ठीक है। इसमें एम्पलीट्यूड क्या है? इसमें एम्पलीट्यूड क्या है? अच्छा, annotate and tell me where is the crest? Crest कहाँ पे है? What is crest in this wave that you have drawn? Ayan, let Faizan do it. Okay, ठीक है। Wait Faizan, let me explain again, ठीक है। फिर से सब ध्यान से सुनेंगे, ओके, बहुत ध्यान से। क्रेस्ट क्या होता है? ये पॉइंट, ठीक है, ये पॉइंट, द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट, ऊपर की तरफ हाईएस्ट पॉइंट जहां वेव पहुंचती है, दैट इज द क्रेस्ट। सो दिस इज क्रेस्ट। ट्रफ क्या है? दिस इज द लोएस्ट पॉइंट, सबसे नीचे, जो डिप्रेशन का सबसे नीचे वाला पार्ट है जहां तक वेव पहुंचती है, दैट इज ट्रफ, ठीक है। ये कौन सी लाइन है? व्हाट इज दिस लाइन? दिस इज द मीन, द सी लेवल, जब स्टिल है, पानी में कोई मूवमेंट नहीं है, कोई वेव नहीं आ रही है, सो दिस इज दैट लेवल ऑफ वाटर, ठीक है। नाउ जब वेव आई तो पानी इतने ऊंचाई तक गया, क्रेस्ट तक गया, एंड देन इट केम डाउन टू द ट्रफ, एंड देन इट केम अप टू द क्रेस्ट, देन इट केम डाउन टू द ट्रफ, ठीक है। ऐसे ही मूव करता है वेव। नाउ द डिस्टेंस, very carefully, the vertical distance between crest and the following trough is amplitude, ठीक है, the vertical distance. Let me disable annotation for you guys. So this vertical distance, ये जो distance है इन दो points के बीच में, just a second, ये जो distance है between the crest and this point is amplitude of the wave, ठीक है। वेवलेंथ क्या होती है? दो सक्सेसिव क्रेस्ट, एक के बाद दूसरे क्रेस्ट के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है, दिस इज वेवलेंथ। या फिर दो ट्रफ के बीच में जितना डिस्टेंस है, इन दो के बीच में जितना डिस्टेंस है, दिस इज वेवलेंथ, ठीक है। डिड वी गेट दिस? डिड वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज wavelength and what is amplitude? Any one of you would want to volunteer and explain? Ayan, would you like to go ahead and explain?
Yes, Didi. The vertical distance of a crust is called amplitude.
Beta, amplitude.
Yes, Didi. Amplitude. And
The
the
vertical distance between crest and the following
crust and the following throw.
is amplitude. मतलब ये distance is amplitude. And what is a wavelength?
Yes, Didi. The wavelength is whereas the difference between two successive crest or through is called wavelength.
ठीक है, तो दो crests के बीच का distance या दो troughs के बीच का distance is actually wavelength, length of the wave.
Yes.
इतनी बड़ी
दीदी
wave,
ऊपर मतलब दो वेव्स आते हैं, उनका सेम डिस्टेंस, उसको बोलते हैं
दो waves के बीच के
वेवलेंथ। एंड
distance
दीदी
को
जो
wavelength.
बीच में जो लेयर रहती ना, उसको बोलते हैं एम्पलीट्यूड।
Amplitude is not the बीच का layer, it is कितना ऊंचा वेव गया या कितना नीचे वेव गया, the distance मेन लेवल से, जो एक्चुअल हाइट, जो मेन पानी का लेवल होना चाहिए, उससे कितना ऊपर गया और कितना नीचे आया, दैट डिस्टेंस इज एम्पलीट्यूड, ठीक है, दैट इज एम्पलीट्यूड. Now we will explain, we will understand this further with other diagrams as well, so don't worry if you could not understand. I will show you a different diagram now, ठीक है। ये पानी, ये समुद्र की लहरें, ऐसे समुद्र में लहरें आती है। ये जो लाइन दिख रही है आपको व्हाइट वाली, दिस लाइन इज बेसिकली द काम सी लेवल, जब कोई वेव नहीं आ रही है तो कितना सी का लेवल है, दिस व्हाइट लाइन टेल्स यू दिस। नाउ वेव आ रही है मतलब पानी ऊपर उठेगा एंड पानी नीचे जाएगा। जो ऊपर उठेगा, दिस पॉइंट ए इज क्रेस्ट, जहां सबसे नीचे जहां गई वेव, दैट इज द ट्रफ, ठीक है। वेव लेंथ इज दो क्रेस्ट के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस था, एक बार लहर ऊपर उठी, नीचे गई, ऊपर उठी, तो जो दो बार ऊपर उठी उनके बीच में क्या लेंथ है, क्या डिस्टेंस है, दैट इज वेव लेंथ. इट कुड बी बिटवीन टू क्रेस्ट और बिटवीन टू ट्रफ, दो ट्रफ या दो क्रेस्ट के बीच का डिफरेंस इज वेव लेंथ. ठीक है. टोटल हाइट ऑफ द वेव क्या होगी? टोटल हाइट ऑफ द वेव एक नीचे से ऊपर के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है पूरा क्रेस्ट और ट्रफ के बीच में, ये पूरा डिस्टेंस इज वेव हाइट. एम्पलीट्यूड क्या होगा? एम्पलीट्यूड विल बी मीन सी लेवल या काम सी लेवल से कितना ऊपर उठा या फिर कितना नीचे आया. सो दैट इज एम्पलीट्यूड. ठीक है, डिड वी अंडरस्टैंड? देयर आर थ्री डिफरेंट वर्ड्स हियर: वेव लेंथ, वेव हाइट एंड एम्पलीट्यूड. ठीक है, वेव लेंथ दो क्रेस्ट या दो ट्रफ के बीच का डिफरेंस होता है. वेव हाइट मतलब कितनी ऊपर और कितनी नीचे गई, द हाइट बिटवीन द हाईएस्ट एंड द लोएस्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज द वेव हाइट. एंड एम्पलीट्यूड इज काम सी लेवल से कितनी ऊंची गई या कितने नीचे गई, दैट इज एम्पलीट्यूड. ठीक है, एक बार और हम एक और डायग्राम से इसको समझेंगे. If you want, you can draw this as well in your notebooks. I will share the diagrams again as well. फिर से समझेंगे हम सारे पांचों वर्ड्स. ठीक है, क्रेस्ट कितना ऊंची गई, द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट जहां पे वेव गई, दैट इज द क्रेस्ट. ट्रफ इज द लोएस्ट पॉइंट, डिप्रेशन सबसे नीचे कहां तक गई वेव, दैट इज ट्रफ. ठीक है, क्रेस्ट ट्रफ. दो क्रेस्ट के बीच में या दो ट्रफ के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है, दैट इज द लेंथ, वेव लेंथ. ठीक है, दो क्रेस्ट या दो ट्रफ के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है, दैट इज द वेव लेंथ. ठीक है, लोएस्ट पॉइंट से हाईएस्ट पॉइंट, ट्रफ से लेकर क्रेस्ट के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है, दैट इज द वेव हाइट. दैट इज द वेव हाइट. नाउ व्हाट इज एम्पलीट्यूड? जो काम सी लेवल है, जब सी में कोई वेव नहीं आ रही थी, काम सी लेवल से कितनी ऊंची गई वेव या कितनी नीची गई वेव, दैट इज एम्पलीट्यूड. एम्पलीट्यूड इज जनरली हाफ ऑफ द वेव हाइट, ऑलमोस्ट हाफ ऑफ द वेव हाइट. मीन लेवल से कितना ऊपर गई एंड कितना नीचे गई. ओके, so these are the 5 new terms that we need to understand. If there is confusion, that is fine, but still I would like to know where the class is. 1 means I don't understand these terms, I don't know what is crest, trough, amplitude, wave height, wavelength, I don't know. To 5 means I'm clear, I understand what are these 5 words and I'll be able to identify and mark them when I see a wave. Okay, thank you Krishna, Faizan, Sakshi for starting us off. Thank you Harshada, Ashwini, okay, Manjushri, Rohan. Waiting for others as well. Fiza, Mahek, Maheen, Zoya, Meenakshi, Pallavi, Nirab, Shagufta, where are we? Thank you Pallavi, thank you Ayan, Dhanshri, Prachi, Nirab, okay, Minoli, Saleha, Kedar, did we understand? Vivek, Yash, Harshad, where are we? Okay, Satpreet. Great. I see a lot of you at 4 and 5. I do not see anybody who is less than 3. People are at a 3, 3, 3.5, 5. Great. Same here. I will tell you, okay, watch the recording again. I'll give you one video. Watch that video again. Read from the book. If we don't understand it, we will repeat it in the doubt class. Okay. And I'm glad that so many of you are clear with this. Okay. Now, if my class is very clear with all of this, we have a few more topics left to cover. Very simple ones, not difficult. So what we'll do is we'll take another break of 1 minute and then we will come back.
से फिर नीचे हो जाता है दीदी,
हाँ, ऐसे
यहाँ पर
ऊपर-
ऐसा हाँ
तो ये ऐसे ही तो आता है. दिस इज द वेव ना दैट कम्स इवन इन रिवर. ठीक है, नाउ जब हम साइंस में कुछ पढ़ते हैं तो जनरली हमेशा हर वेव ऐसी हो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं होती, कभी कभी ट्रायंगुलर भी आ सकती है, राइट? ऐसे भी आती है लहर, या जब हम ड्रॉ करते हैं तो बट डिजाइनर वेव्स भी ड्रॉ करते हैं. ठीक है, बट व्हेन वी स्टडी समथिंग फॉर साइंस, स्पेसिफिकली फॉर कैलकुलेशन एंड स्टफ, वी कंसीडर थिंग्स टू बी अलाइंड. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए हम जब साइंस में वेव को पढ़ते हैं तो वी हैव अ स्ट्रक्चर एंड वी कंसीडर कि वेव ऐसी ही आती है. बट आइडियली हर वेव ऐसी ही नहीं आएगी, और आइडियली हर वेव की लेंथ और हाइट सब एक सी वैसा जरूरी नहीं होगा. इट वुड चेंज. But for us to understand and study in science, what we do is we consider a wave to be of a certain pattern and then we define those terms so that हमें general idea हो कि क्या कैसी दिखती है एक wave. और कौन से पार्ट को क्या कहते हैं, ठीक है। बट हर वेव ऐसी ही हो, एकदम आइडली ऐसी हो, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं होता। ओके, great. Guys, quickly come back and give me a thumbs up if you are back. Give me a thumbs up if you are back, or any reaction, not only thumbs up, guys. Thank you, Ayan. Thank you, Krishna, Manjushri, Meera, Shagufta, Sufyan, Shruti. Okay, great. Great. Okay, Neerab, I need to understand what you are typing on the chat box. It will take time. But guys, great that we all are back. We will watch one quick video to understand. It is a very interesting science experiment observation based video. So watch the video very carefully. ठीक है, बहुत ध्यान से देखेंगे वीडियो में क्या हो रहा है. How is this video happening? What is happening in the video? There is one object जो इस वीडियो में यूज किया जाएगा. There is a small ball जिसका मूवमेंट हमें ऑब्जर्व करना है. So when we are watching this video, observe the movement of the ball as well. ठीक है, those who have already got their bottles, जिन्होंने किया हुआ है, if you can, छोटा सा कोई सर्कुलर बॉल या पर्ल या बटन या ऐसा कुछ हो तो अपनी बॉटल में डाल के देखो, या फिर पेपर को फोल्ड करके छोटी सी बॉल बना के अपनी बॉटल में डाल के देखो. बट डू दिस आफ्टर यू वॉच दिस वीडियो. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट वी विल वॉच दिस वीडियो एंड सी what is happening here, and then we will also put one object in our bottle and also observe what is happening to the object that is there in the video. ठीक है, so watch it very carefully.
To find out why, we have to learn about waves. I'm Dr. Jeff Finneker.
Can we all hear and watch the video? Give me a thumbs up if that is visible and you can hear it. Yeah, okay, thank you, Manjushri. Great.
And today, we're going to explore the science of wave properties.
With Dr. Jeff.
This is a wave tank. Hit it.
Looks like the waves are just moving from one side of the tank to the other.
Interesting observation, Izzy. What do you guys think would happen if I take this ball and put it into the wave tank?
I think that it'll move with the wave from one side of the tank to the other.
I think it'll just bob up and down.
Let's find out.
Nailed it.
It's moving up and down, but not in the direction that the wave is moving.
Exactly. Matter doesn't move through waves, only energy does. We can understand more about waves by adjusting the settings on our wave generator.
Looks like the adjustment is making the waves get closer together.
Right. The distance between wave peaks is called wavelength. The shorter the wavelength, the more energy a wave has.
What if I change the knob labeled amplitude?
What do you notice?
That adjustment made the wave smaller.
Right. Amplitude is how tall or short a wave is.
Can you measure amplitude and wavelength?
Yep, scientists do it all the time. The amplitude is the distance from the wave's peak to its resting point, which is the level of calm water. The wavelength is the distance from peak to peak.
Hey kids, if you want to watch this whole episode and more.
Okay, did we all watch the video carefully and did we understand the video? Give me a reaction if you could. And can one of you volunteer and tell me what were the observations that you saw in the video or what you understood from the video? Fiza, would you like to go ahead and tell us what did you understand from the video?
I understand that in the video I see the water is going up and coming down and deeply go down and deep मतलब जो come faster up.
ठीक है, answer my questions here, Fiza. You observed कि उन्होंने एक waves बनाए थे, एक apparatus they set up और वो waves बना रहे थे. So tell me, they did put a ball in the waves, right? What happened to
Yes.
the ball? Was the ball moving with the wave, or was it just going up and down?
Yes. Ball also moving in the water. They
Okay.
make a waves.
So Fiza says that the ball that they put in water was moving with the water. Is there anybody else who has an opposing view or who understood it differently? कि बॉल के साथ क्या हो रहा था? Yes, Krishna.
When they put the ball, it was a little bit of down from the surface, and but it was not going down and not, but it is doing some of the movement.
There was a movement that was happening in the ball. Now I am asking, was the ball moving with the wave? क्या वो आगे बढ़ रही थी wave के साथ या फिर उसी
No.
जगह पे ऊपर नीचे हो रही थी?
ऊपर नीचे.
Okay. So Krishna says ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था ball. Sakshi, what was your observation?
Didi, like Krishna's only.
Okay, so Sakshi also says that what Krishna says, right? Now Fiza and others, those who have their, the bottles में जिनका wave है, as I told you, put a button or some small object, small छोटा सा ball बना के भी कर सकते हो of polythene or of tape का छोटा सा ball बना के या something that can go in your bottle, put it in your bottle and try to move it. ठीक है? और देखो कि वो button तुम्हारे मूवमेंट के साथ आगे मूव होता है कि ऊपर नीचे हो रहा होता है वेव के साथ. ठीक है? ट्राई टू पुट थिंग्स इन इट एंड try to observe what is happening. So as if I talk about the video, then the ball as we saw was moving up and down. It was not moving with the wave. वो wave के साथ आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा था, सिर्फ उसी डायरेक्शन में ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था. थोड़ा आगे पीछे भी हो सकता है, पर वो wave के साथ आगे नहीं बढ़ते जा रहा था. तो बेसिकली जो मैटर होता है, जो चीजें मैटर इज एनीथिंग दैट हैज मास. सो मैटर डज नॉट मूव विद वेव. सिर्फ एनर्जी मूव होती है, मैटर नहीं मूव होता है. ठीक है? तो अगर हमें ऐसा लगता है ना कि अगर हमने समुद्र में कुछ फेंक दिया और वो चीज वापस आती है वेव के साथ, सो इट एक्चुअली इज नॉट कमिंग विद द वेव, इट मूव्स विद द वेव. इवन द वाटर, इट ओनली मूव्स. जहां पे है वो सिर्फ वहां मूव कर रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि दूसरा पानी आगे आ गया. इट इज द वाटर, इट इज मूविंग देयर ओनली. Only energy moves with the wave and nothing else. ठीक है? सिर्फ energy move करती. Now from the video tell me, can we change amplitude and wavelength of a wave? क्या हम amplitude और wavelength वगैरह change कर सकते हैं किसी wave की? If we are doing some experiment or anything, can we change the amplitude or and the wavelength? Okay. Thank you for those who are raising hand. Vinayak, what do you say? Can we change amplitude and wavelength of a wave?
Yes, Didi, I think
Yes, when they were doing the experiment, उस video में हमने देखा कि the girl could change the wavelength and the amplitude of the waves, right? तो अगर हम कोई experiment करें या कुछ find out करना चाहते हैं, then we can increase or decrease the amplitude and wavelength. हम अपने bottle में भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं. कैसे कर सकते हैं? अगर हम तेज अपनी bottle को tilt करते हैं तो wave का shape और size change होता है. अगर हम धीरे धीरे करते हैं तो wave का shape और size change होता है. The amplitude and wavelength of a wave can be changed. Okay. Even when we are talking in the ocean, then also जैसे हमने कहा हवा तेज चलती है तो wave बड़ी आती है, बड़ी लहर बनती है. ऐसे क्यों होता है? Why? Because there is a pressure that the wind applies on the water, and based on the velocity of the wind, कितनी तेज वो wind चल रही है, उतनी तेज it will strike on the water and उतनी बड़ी wave बनेगी. ठीक है? Now जैसे अभी हम देख रहे थे, जब हमने wavelength बढ़ाई, वेव की वेवलेंथ अगर हमने बढ़ाने की कोशिश करी, दो पीक्स के बीच में या दो डिप्रेशंस के बीच में लेंथ बढ़ाने की कोशिश करी, तो लहर बड़ी होती गई. तो डिस्टेंस अगर हम इंक्रीज करेंगे तो लहर बड़ी होती गई. तो जितनी ज्यादा वेवलेंथ बड़ी होती है एक वेव की, उतनी ज्यादा एनर्जी वो वेव कैरी कर रहा होता है. हम एम्पलीट्यूड अगर कम करते हैं तो वो वेव पास पास आ जाएगी और ऊंची हो जाएगी. ठीक है? So that can be controlled, and in science that can be measured. There are different formulas with which you can measure these things. वो तुम लोग आगे पढ़ोगे. For now, just understand what is wavelength, what is amplitude. ठीक है? Okay. So moving quickly to the next part of it, and that is जैसे कि अभी हमने discuss कर लिया कि जब हम ये जो GIF आप देख रहे हो, let me ask you. You can see this GIF, right? You can see what is happening. Can one of you quickly tell me what do you observe in this? What is happening? Let me ask Harshada, you tell me what is happening in this GIF or this small video type image that you can see here.
Yes, Didi.
Tell me what is happening here.
There is a big boat,
हाँ
sorry, ship,
हाँ
and the wave is
हाँ, तो शिप क्या कर रही है?
the wave is, yeah.
शिप के साथ क्या हो
So
रहा है?
then the ship is moving
The ship is moving. How is it moving? Is it moving forward or is it moving up and down?
up and down.
The ship is moving up and down along with the wave. ठीक है, वेव भी ऊपर नीचे होती है, शिप भी ऊपर नीचे होती है. अगर शिप वेव से खुद ब खुद चल रही होती ना, तो फिर you wouldn't need a motor and other things to ride a ship, right? You need to put in force to move the ship in a particular direction. हाँ, शिप डॉल्फिन की तरह हो रही है, एज रोहन सेज. इट इज मूविंग अप एंड डाउन. तो कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर वेव के कांटेक्ट में है, तो इट विल मूव ओनली अप एंड डाउन बिकॉज वेव मूव्स अप एंड डाउन. ठीक है, मैटर डज नॉट मूव विद द वेव, ओनली एनर्जी मूव्स. ठीक है. ऑल्सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू ऑल इज, जैसे मैं पहले भी बोल चुकी हूँ, does the water move along with the wave or is it just the energy that moves? Type on the chat box, okay? I want to hear the response from everybody. Does the water moves along with the wave or is it just the energy that moves? Thank you, Sakshi, Krishna, for starting us off. Waiting for responses from everybody else. Okay. Does the water move with the wave or does only the energy moves? Okay, Rohan, Ayan, Sakshi. Okay. ठीक है. A lot of you say only the energy moves and that is true. ठीक है, energy move होती है, there is nothing else moving. It seems to us कि the object is moving or it seems to us कि पानी हमारे पास आ रहा है, but actually only energy is moving and nothing else is moving. ठीक है, ऐसा हमें लगता है कि पानी या ऑब्जेक्ट मूव कर रहा है. यू कैन सी इन दिस इमेज ऑल्सो द शिप इज ओनली गोइंग अप एंड डाउन, इट विल गो अप एंड डाउन. थोड़ा बहुत आगे पीछे भी हो सकता है, बट एक्चुअल मूवमेंट सिर्फ एनर्जी का होता है when there is a wave. Okay, I hope that is clear to all of you. Okay, ठीक है. जैसा जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, द सेम थिंग इज रिटन हियर, राइट? हमको कोस्ट पे खड़े होके लगता है कि वेव हमारे पास आ रही है या फिर कोई फ्लोटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास वेव की वजह से आ रहा है, बट एक्चुअली होता कुछ नहीं है. द एनर्जी इज ट्रैवलिंग एंड व्हेन इट, जब वो शोर से टकराती है, देन वी से दैट द वेव हैज come to the coast. Okay, just remember that the wave never moves any other thing, only the energy moves. Okay, ठीक है. Quickly moving forward, since we are running a bit out of time, so I'm not showing you the video of tsunami, but I would want you all to tell me how many of us know what is a tsunami. What is a tsunami? Have we heard of it? What is tsunami? Kabhi suna hai what is tsunami? Yes or Agni? Did you hear what is tsunami?
Yes, दीदी.
क्या होता है सुनामी? Where did you
Tsunami. हेलो.
हाँ बोलो स्वराग्नि, बोलो.
सुनामी मतलब जो ऐसे पहाड़ी से आती है.
ओके, सुनामी पहाड़ी से आती, पर होता क्या है सुनामी? डू यू नो दैट?
घूमता है, मतलब पूरा उड़ जाता है
सब उड़ जाता है, बट होता क्या है वो? Okay, no problem. Thank you for sharing that, Swaragni. Meenakshi, you tell me.
दीदी बहुत सारा बारिश आता है.
Okay, tsunami जब आता है तो बहुत सारा बारिश भी आता है. Okay, what else do you know about tsunami? Yes, Manjushri.
यस दीदी सब ऑल जो थिंग्स है वो घूमने लगती है और उस पानी की वजह से बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह भी गिर जाती है.
Okay, right. ठीक है. So you all told me what happens when a tsunami comes. ठीक है. What exactly is a tsunami? Tsunami is a type of destructive wave. Destructive wave. What is the meaning of the word destruction? Can anybody tell me destruction शब्द का क्या मतलब होता है? Yes, Ashwini.
दीदी सुनामी मीनिंग ना?
हाँ, पहले बताओ सुनामी मीनिंग.
दीदी सुनामी मतलब है ना, मतलब जो ओशन होता है ना अपना, सी नहीं तो ओशन, उसका पूरा पानी जो बाहर आ जाता है और वो दूर 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 तक आ जाता है पानी, और घर वगैरह सब जितने हैं ना वो पूरा ये हो जाता है.
Right. Tsunami is a type of destructive wave. Destructive wave मतलब विनाश जो कर सके. Destruction मतलब विनाश होता है, right? तो बहुत ज्यादा विनाश करती है वो wave. Tsunami कब आती है? जब समुद्र के नीचे अगर earthquake आता है तो फिर समुद्र में बहुत बड़ी बड़ी लहरें बनती हैं, और कुछ लहरें इतनी बड़ी हो जाती हैं that it can actually engulf an entire building. एक बिल्डिंग को भी अंदर ले ले, इतनी बड़ी बड़ी लहरें आती हैं जब सुनामी आती है. तो so tsunami is an example of destructive wave. It occurs when there is an earthquake or a volcanic eruption inside the ocean. ठीक है, तो जब ऐसा कुछ ओशन के अंदर होता है तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी लहरें बनती है. There are very big waves that are formed, and those waves have so much velocity, they move with such speed that it can actually cause a lot of destruction. ठीक है, इंडिया में भी सुनामी आया था. Okay, there was a tsunami in Japan as well. So what we will do is afterwards, after this class, just try to find out when does the tsunami come. Go and watch videos of tsunami on YouTube. You will find a lot of videos as well. Okay, just for you, this is just an additional knowledge for you to know that waves can also be very very destructive, and they can cause a lot of destruction. बहुत ज़्यादा विनाश create कर सकती हैं. Such waves are known as destructive waves, and tsunami is one of the example of destructive waves. Okay, great. So that is it from the chapter today. So we discussed what are waves, we discussed type of waves, how are these formed, what is the structure of a wave, and also we just had a quick view on what are destructive waves. Okay, as I told you all, there are some of you who couldn't understand the concepts in between, and it's okay if you didn't. We will I will share one video to all. Before we end the class, quickly tell me where are you in terms of understanding of all these 5 topics from 0 to 5 on the chat box. Okay, some of you who understand all the topics who gave me a poll of 4 and 5 throughout, I know that aap 4 ya 5 pe honge. Sumit is like magically on a 5. I don't know how. He was not in the class in between. Sumit, you stay back, I have to talk to you. Ashwini, Prachi, Manjushri, Ayan, Krishna, and others. Govind, great, thank you. Good to know, Govind. You are at a 4. Okay, great. Others, keep typing on the chat box. It's okay. I will share this video with you, which tells you what is a wave, how does wave works. Basically, जो भी हमने आज पढ़ा वो इस वीडियो में बताया गया होगा. So watch this video after the class. And you all have this challenge that I am giving to you all. This is a Kahoot game challenge where you can challenge your friends as well. You can play this challenge based on waves. I will give you the game pin and the link. And also I'll share this homework on the class group. Complete this and come to the next class prepared. We will have a test on tides this Saturday, and also we will discuss all the homework questions in the class tomorrow. Okay, great. That's it. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun in today's class. You can leave. I will give you the Kahoot challenge ka link and game pin. Please do play it. Okay.
Bye, Didi.
3. Okay. Yeah.
Bye, Didi.
Bye
Didi, तेरी
everyone.
धर्मी दीदी क्लास और
Bye.
दीदी टुडे is हरमी दीदी क्लास.